Hi, and welcome to part 3 of Circo App tutorial. In this video, we will walk through functions and features in Circo App that will maximize your networking efficiency. By the time you watch this video, you should have already set up and designed your profile. If you haven't done so already, feel free to watch the first 2 parts of the tutorial. Let's get started. The main way to share your digital business card with anyone you meet is via the QR code. You can instantly access the QR page by clicking the share button in the bottom menu or by clicking the QR icons in homepage. You can edit the color to your QR code by clicking Customize QR button. And Pro user can upload their own logo to the QR. Here I will upload a logo for demonstration. Remember to use logo image in 512x512 resolution, as logo only supports squared images. On this page, you will also find some other alternatives to share your digital card with your phone, such as with a link by adding to your digital wallet, or directly share URL to another app. Now let's talk about some other awesome functions that powers up your digital business card. First, let's open to the profile setting page. You've probably already noticed the toggles on the bottom. After toggling on the first option, when others visit your digital business card, the info exchange form will appear first. For the second option, visitors will be taken directly to the link you select instead of browsing your whole digital card. I would recommend you to always toggle the first option on, as it encourages others to exchange their contacts back to you automatically. Here, I will go ahead and turn it on and show you how it looks. As you can see, as my digital card opens, the info exchange form pops up automatically. Here, the name, email, and cell fields are required, while others are optional. If they close the form, they can always reopen it by clicking the exchange button right next to Save Contact button, or by performing an action on your card. Here, I will go ahead and fill in the form and show you how it works. After someone clicks share, shortly after that, you will receive a notification confirming that someone just exchanged their info with you. Click on that will directly open up their info page. Alternatively, you can also find that info in the Connection tab. In the Connection page, you can edit any info you want by clicking into the box. Here's an example. I will change the Google to Amazon. You can also add notes to each connection. These notes will also be saved down as you download the contact. Here is an example. I will note it down as met at ABC event. Lastly, you can manage connections by adding tags. These tags won't be saved down, but will definitely help you identify and find leads in the app quicker. There are a couple default tags, and you can add them by simply checking the boxes. You can also add your own tag to categorize leads more specifically. After selecting, click Finish to save. After finishing managing a lead, you can easily download their info into your local contacts. Simply click Download Contact, and your connection will be stored automatically into your phone. In Connection page, you can easily search by tags and notes, in addition to name, company, and title. Here I will search for the word event, and the lead I just added popped up because there's the word event in the note I added. Just in case someone gives you a traditional paper business card, you can also easily store it as your connection. Simply click Scan Business Card, take a picture of the card, and the app will use AI to automatically populate all the fields. Again, before saving it as your connection, you can change any info that's not accurately scanned. And you have the option to directly add tags or notes. Here, I will put in a note as an example. Also in the connection page, you can tell the source of your connection from the icon on the right side. The scanning icon means it's from Scanning Business Card, and the form means it's from Contact Exchanging Form off your digital card. Now, let's dive into the analytics. If you've purchased a Circo Pro, you will unlock all the stats and metrics, including the specific amount of taps on each one of your link. With all the stats, you can get a better picture of the behaviors of the audience that you network with. Finally, let's talk about some more customization options for Pro users that will make your digital card feel more personalized. First, let's go over how to customize each link icon. Bring up the link management page and click Edit on the link you would like to change icon for. On the top left corner, you will find a Customize Link icon button. Click on the button and upload your image. Here I will upload a random image as an example. After you click Save, you'll notice that the original icon has been replaced to a customized one. Similarly, you also have the option to customize link icon. Click into the link edit page and you'll notice a button called Customize. Each link display style corresponds to a different customization format. Say if you set it as a graphic link, then the customization will let you add an image instead of a thumbnail. In our case, we set the link as a bar link, so the customization will add a thumbnail to the bar. Again, I will go ahead and upload an image for demonstration. Now, let's check out how the profile looks. As you can see, the Calendly link and the website link have both been set to my custom ones, and my profile looks a lot more personalized. Lastly, let's go over how to add your image to your card background as a Pro user. You can also do this by selecting a pre-designed template with a background image and changing to your own background. For now, I will just build it from scratch. Navigate back to the designer and click into the Layout tab. Scroll Profile Layout all the way to the right side and select Image. Here you'll notice an image upload option pops up. Go ahead and upload your own background image. Here I will just pick another image to show you. After uploading, you will notice the background opacity option. This will add a colored overlay to the background. The lower the opacity percentage, the higher overlay color will show. This overlay color is set based on your previous account background. You can find your previous background color by clicking into another layout and see the background color you set. In my case, my previous background was black, so my background overlay color will also be black. Additionally, you probably remember the last sets of customization options for Save Contact, Bar Link, and Highlight Box. These customizations feature a half-transparent color with blurred background effect, and I would highly recommend choosing these designs once you've set an image background. To show you the effect on profile, I will go ahead and set all my designs to the last options. Since all the box color would be half-transparent, I will set both the box color and text color to be white, as I don't have to worry about legibility. Now let's check out how it looks. As you can see, my background has been updated to my customized image with a black overlay since I set the background color to be black and opacity to a 67%. Also, all my designs are creating the blurred effect on top of the image, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to my profile. If you always adjust anything to tailor it to your own style. Remember, this is just an example and you can always use your creativity and adjust anything to tailor it to your own style. Lastly, for pro users, you can create up to 3 distinctive digital business cards for different scenarios or jobs. Simply scroll to the right on homepage and you'll see the option to create a new card. When you have to share a different card you've created, all you have to do is to set that card as your main card before the event, and your profile will automatically show the card you choose. And that's it for the tutorial series. Now it's time for you to create your unique digital business card. If you have any questions or feedbacks, feel free to email directly to support@getcirco.com. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new digital business card.